gonna go see the London Bridge now.
The real London Bridge from London.
Yeah, is somehow here in Arizona. I don't know why Arizona wanted it, but hey, if you could buy the London Bridge, why not?
Sure. This London Bridge.
What in the world? It looks so
Bridge.
like it doesn't belong here.
Yeah, it looks like it's London Bridge.
Like it's London in Arizona.
Yep.
Why would London want to get rid of their bridge, sell their bridge?
Because they needed to build a new one.
Oh, so let's put the not as good one here for people to drive on?
What?
Are you saying because it wasn't good, like it wasn't safe?
It was falling down, so they needed to like fix it. And so I guess maybe they built a new bridge and we bought the old one.
Wow. Arizona's like, we don't really care if it's safe or not. We're just gonna bring it over here.
Because they had to transport it there. They had to fix it.
Oh, right. Oh, that's pretty.
Put it all back together.
Look at that. It's like London, a little town of London in here. It's Kokomo.
Kokomo Restaurant, London Bridge Resort.
So many bright colors. It looks so cool. There's like a stage over there. They probably have bands that play. Really neat environment here. I'm having a lot of fun just running around this place. So we're here at Papa Leon's Pizza. We found a place to come and eat, and we just had lunch. We ordered a medium-sized meat combo pizza. It was yummy. This restaurant has a beautiful view of Lake Havasu and the London Bridge, either eating inside or outside on the patio.
Put your happy face on. Jill's driving.
I am. Yay. We're in California now, and we're a few hours away from home, and we're thinking to make a stop for the night and then just drive a couple of hours tomorrow. Where were you thinking of stopping?
Walmart. Yay, Walmart.
So we still haven't done a Walmart parking lot yet, so
Yeah, we haven't been able to.
we need to put that on we need to get that under our
bucket
belt.
list of things that we've experienced so we can figure out if it's ever worth trying to do again. We're gonna go in the Palmdale, and there's a super center there. We've confirmed that they accept allow people overnight. Walmarts generally allow people to stay in the parking lot for overnight, but not all city ordinances allow for that to happen. So the cops will come kick you out. We've got this app called Overnight RV Parking. That's a database of like all these places that it's okay to stay, or not okay to stay, or it's not okay but not enforced. It has BLM land. It has like Walmarts. It's got, you know, all kinds of stuff on it, and it shows you when you can, like if you're in an area, what's close to you. It seems to be pretty accurate. Has been really helpful. We found some BLM land with that app when we were at Lake Havasu. So there's a Walmart Supercenter in Lake Havasu City, and it's giant, huge, and amazing. Just I checked on my app, And they said, nope, you're not allowed to stay there. The cops have kicked you out. So they confirmed it. It's been confirmed multiple times and stuff. So we're like, oh, great. So there's an ordinance in Lake Havasu City that we can't just go, like, stay overnight in our RV somewhere. That sucks. And so I opened up, the same app, and I was like, hey, what's around here? And I was like, hey, there's some BLM land like a mile up the road, and you can stay there for free up to 14 days. And that was pretty awesome. So we just dry camped that night. And that's effectively what we're going to do tonight.
So we stayed at, instead of a Walmart parking lot, we actually went to the Walmart parking lot that we planned to go to, but there was a whole bunch of teenagers, like, throughout the whole parking lot, like, just hanging out.
Sports cars.
Yeah.
It's kind of like it was like a meetup for like all high schools or whatever. Maybe
it was like school was in session or something.
Yeah.
We ended up going to stay the night at a Sam's Club parking lot, which was like nice and quiet.
Super quiet.
Yeah. And today we're driving home. We were only how many hours out? Like an hour out?
About an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes.
So we're almost home.
Yeah.
All right. We will catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.